Hello everyone, Shalini this side. Well, today I have come up with a session to clear the doubts of most of the students about the concept of commonly confused words. Usually in our day-to-day activities, we come across many words and we often get puzzled. And we don't know how to use those words with correct sentence formation. Now, I am sharing a bunch of few words along with its meaning. Moreover, you will have better clarity of the words with significant examples. So, here we go, and we are going to begin with the particular words. So, my first word is, and before starting, do you know that these words are known as homonyms? It indicates that where two words or more than two words, they are looking identical, they are having the same sound or same pronunciation, but their meanings are quite different. Okay, so first one I am taking the example, and that is the difference between accident and incident. If I talk about accident, it means something unexpected or usually tragic in nature. So I can take one example here. While going towards Delhi, I observed that a car was damaged in an accident. And if I talk about incident, it means some ordinary event. Tell me some interesting incidents in your life. Now, our next example is the difference between advice and advice. If I talk about advice, ADVICE, it acts like noun, and we can take my friend usually gives me sound advice. And if I am using this word advice, ADVISE, it enacts as verb. So I will say in this manner, the teacher advised me to be punctual in the class. Now we are moving towards the third example, that is the difference between birth and birth. If I talk about birth, BERTH, it means a seat or a bed on a train or a boat. So we can give the example here. We got 2 berths reserved in the Rajdhani Express. It means you can take the example whenever we go by train or whenever we travel by train. So जो seats होती हैं, these are all known as berths. And now if I talk about BIRTH, so here the example goes, what is your date of birth? Next one is, if I talk about beside and besides, so beside means next to or by the side of something. So we can say, I sat beside the window and talked to my friend. And if I talk about besides, so it means in addition to or as well as. Besides being a distinguished scholar, she is also a good dancer. Next, we are proceeding towards the next example, that is the difference between sight and side. You will see that these words, they look very similar to each other, but in their meaning, they are absolutely different. If I talk about cite, CITE, it means to quote something. She cited many examples to prove her point. And if I talk about SIGHT, it means view. The train left the station and soon disappeared from sight. Next one is the difference between farther and further. If I talk about farther, so it means it is considered as the comparative degree where we talk about distance. So I can take the example, whose house is farther from the school, yours or mine? And if I talk about further, it means I am talking about the position. So I will say, please proceed further on this matter. Thank you. Stay tuned and keep watching my new videos to learn something new in English. Thank you.